Sorry guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am Juliana. Today I'm teaching you guys how to make slime with only 3 ingredients, and this is my 5th video about slime. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. This recipe originally is used some white glue, but in another video I'm using white glue. So in this video, the same recipe, I want to use white glue. I want to taste it will work or not. So yeah guys, okay, this is the ingredients you will need. Some things to mix with, you need to, and just use spoon, yeah, a big bowl, and you have to provide it 2 bowls, and I don't have any bowls. I just have this 1 and 2 bowls to make slime. This is not called bowl. Honestly, this is a paper cups, just paper cups. I use paper cups, and this is the clean bowl. I'm just use that to make slime. So this is water, plain water, and this is a bowl, a clean, and this is all this clean. I'm just washing this up all together. And this is detergent, but this is not liquid detergent. I'm just use 2 spoons of powder detergent like this size spoon, and 4 spoons like this size too. Plain water. This is a plain water. This is not cool, not hot, but room temperature. So yeah. And this is my clear glue. You can use any brand of glue, and detergent too. You can use any brand of detergent. So let's get on to the video. So yeah guys, let's get started. So first, I am provided this my detergent water, I call it, because I don't have liquid detergent, so I make it myself. First, you throw in your clear glue into your big bowl. Just throwing how much you want to make your slime. And just make 1 spoon like this much, a little bit more. Okay, only a little bit. So yeah, I will show you to you guys. This is a spoon like this. Can you see this, guys? This is. So yeah, this clear glue, and now I will adding some water detergent. I call detergent mixture or anything else. It's not important. So yeah, and I'm just adding a little bit like this. Adding a little bit, only a little bit, and mix it up to my glue. Just mix it up. And this is it. This is a little bit complicated. Oh sorry guys, this spoon. This is just a little bit comes together now. Just a little bit. So this is a tip. Don't add too much water detergent, detergent powder, powder detergent, or liquid detergent. Don't add too much because it will ruin your slime, because the detergent is make your slime hard. So yeah, that's why I am adding a little bit by a little bit to not ruin your and my slime. So I'm adding it keep adding it and mix. This come together more, as you can see. This come together. It's only a little bit. So yeah, I'll show it to you guys. Just come together a little bit. Okay. And just keep adding some of the detergent mixture or water. Anything else is not important, guys. Just adding it, keep adding it. Until you get your own one texture. Okay, this is come together. This is all come together, and the color is turned white. See? As you can see, guys, this come together into the middles when I mix it. Just adding a little bit more. You can use any brand of detergent, and glue is not important. But if you are making shampoo slime, you can use any brand because some shampoo can make slime, you know. Just give you a look. This is all comes together. This is really come together all. You can see this. This come together. So yeah, this is the slime. It's not stick on my spoon anymore, but this is a little bit sticky. Only a little bit, as you can see this. Sorry guys, because I only have two hands, you know that. When I am filming, I don't know what to say, I don't know. So yeah, one hand I mix, one hand I spill. Flame. Okay, I think that is film. As you can see this. Just try to mix it up. Okay, and this is this slime. This is a little bit sticky. I don't want to stick it like this, so just a little bit more detergent. Oh my gosh! As you can see, oh my god! So yeah, guys, I'm putting some tissue on it. So now I mix it. Okay, I want you guys to see what I'm mixing. So this come together. As you can see this. Sorry guys if you hear the noisy. Okay. Okay. This is not sticky on my spoon. As you can see this. They're just the bubbles. Sorry of my mom and brother's song. You can see this. And here. Wait guys. So here, and you touch it. When you touch it, it's not sticky on your hand. No? These are water. Just water. Okay. And now you can pick it up. Oh, it fell so yeah. Oh, so soft. This is not so hard because I don't add too much detergent on it. That's why it's not hard. It's so soft. Oh, so soft. Just like this. If you see this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you don't like the water in this slime, you just squish it like me. Okay. Any water will come up. It's a very sticky slime, but it's not sticky on your hand. Let's see this. Oh, it's not sticky. No, not sticky. Wow, this is so stretchy. If you see this. And now I just want to show guys how this slime. Oh, so slimy. I love this slime. Try this recipe out. This is just stuff on your home. You can search it easily. Don't have to buy. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this video, please watch another video that I am using white glue in this recipe, the same recipe. You can use white glue if you don't want to watch my another video. You see this? Wow, so smooth. It's not sticky on my hand. Okay, I just show you guys. Yeah. So smooth. I love this line. Give this video a thumbs up. Like this video, comment down below what question you have to ask or you want to ask. So yeah, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. This is my third time saying it. So yeah, bye guys.